My trees are dying from the top down. The centers are hollow and filled with ants. Why is this? Is there anything to kill the ants on a healthy tree? And this is from Richard in Greenville. So we talked a little bit about this earlier. Be good to have a picture so we can see what's wrong with the tree. But anytime that I see or think about ants being in trees, there's a couple of things that come to mind. It's usually aphids around or soft scales. And of course we know aphids and soft scales produce honeydew, which the ants are attracted to. So you may have aphids or soft scales. And the second thing is this. So the tree is already, hollow, which means it's decaying. The ants are probably looking for an opportunity to nest.
Yeah, the ants are just a symptom. They're not really the problem.
No, they're not going to cause a huge problem. So I wouldn't personally worry about killing the ants.
Right, no. If you have the soft scale or something, treat that, and then the ants should leave. Right.
But since those centers are hollow, Mr. Richard, I would get a certified arborist to come out there and take a look at that.
If they're large, yes.
Right, because that might be a hazard, potentially. So I wouldn't worry so much about the ants. I would worry about the hazard.
Right.
The tree. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.